Welcome back to Shop Don't Stop. Today we are doing a manual transmission fluid drain and fill. This thing has the ZF 5-speed manual in it. This is pretty straightforward. I'm going with actually ZF ATF. On the side of your transmission, I'll show you guys a clip. It says what oil it takes, so mine says ATF only. It's an orange tag. Things to note, these drain and fill plugs, the torque spec, 37 foot-pounds, guys. Don't overdo it. It's nothing crazy. For these ZFs, we do expect to put in 1.2 liters. Let's get underneath the car, I'll show you more, and let's get into it. We've got the E36 jacked up. We've got it sitting pretty level. All right, so this is the passenger side of the ZF transmission. So just next to me is oil pan. So passenger side, this orange tag reads, if I can sneak the camera up there, ATF oil. So this one in the center of the screen, that plug is the drain plug. And then up on the side of the passenger side of this transmission, this one in the center of the screen now, that is the fill plug. So here's what we're working with. There might be a little bit of metal in there, some metal shavings. Hard to say exactly. I don't know why that was also really reddish, because this OEZF fluid, it's pretty brown. So it must have been a different type that was put in there. Definitely looks like somebody had been in there before with the yellow marking and some Loctite. I did not put any Loctite. I didn't mark them. I just torqued it down to 37 foot-pounds. It's recommended from Bentley, and we'll go from there. So we just finished up a manual transmission drain and fill on my E36 M3 here. This is pretty applicable to a lot of cars that are of the older variety, especially manual transmissions and all of the E36 chassis. This is pretty simple. Make sure the car is level. You guys can do it yourself. Thanks for tuning in. We've got a lot of stuff on this channel for you, including Toyota stuff with Prius, Tacoma, 4Runner content, and something new that's coming, a 100 series Land Cruiser. We've got E36, E92, and Shrikar just picked up. I'm gonna reveal it for him, in E46 M3. So we have a lot to offer you on this channel and a lot more coming. Consider liking this video if you enjoyed it and it was helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And remember, shop don't stop.